Hey guys, it is Gavin here, and today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Wacky Mole Clown. I got this guy last year for $220. And this guy has received a lot of torture over the last year or two. I don't know why, but just everyone in the spirit stores just, like to box him, basically. I guess he just has a really punchable face. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of clown props. I have a couple. That's a real Savannah moment. So, let's get right into it. First thing that's on top is the clothing and the instructions. Inside, it is hip loop piece. It is kind of hunchback look type thing. And one of the most important parts is head. Got his regular hand without the hammer. Got his shoes. Got his arms. Got his hand with the hammer. Got his leg. Whatever, leg noodles, whatever you want to call them. Got his leg poles. And he's got his shoulders and the modular mechanism and everything. Got his adapter. Can't take that. That piece. And then we have his base. That is all that he comes with to set him up. First thing I want to do, obviously, is put the face. Pause. I just realized I put the pants on backwards. So then the next thing that you're going to want to put is the shoulders and module. Just like that. And then this piece. His shoulders. also. And then his shirts. Sorry for stopping the video again, but I'm about to make really weird, like, animal calling noises. Just had to point that out. There he is, all set up. Fix his hair, make it more crazy. And there he is. So now I will get a demo of him. Okay, it's all set up.
I just love hitting you bozos with my hammer. You better watch out, or I'm gonna whop you over the head, too. Oh, please, come a little closer. Yeah. Bad Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna pummel things with my hammer. Yes. I think I'm going crazy again. Girl, who's next to get walloped by? I'll be the first on your block to say, Wacky Mole, club me over the head.
So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you all later.